So this is a very interesting point that I think people would like to know, because we have smaller constituencies. A difference of maybe 500 to 2,500 votes makes all the difference. And many of the times we believed, there was a suspicion amongst people that there are many duplicate voters who vote in Goa elections also and they vote somewhere else also. And these vote banks are then used to shift the results, to influence the results. Do you think that problem gets sorted out through this exercise?
Yes, to a very large extent, because as I told you, right now we are doing online mapping of the voter with this 2002 rule, whether in Goa or elsewhere in the country. So once any voter is mapped with the previous SIR, he cannot be mapped elsewhere in the country. So right now in 12 states SIR is going on. If in Goa some voter say he has a epic card in UP also, in that case, once he is mapped in Goa, then in UP he cannot be mapped. So he is out of the electoral roll of UP.
So he cannot be a part of two electoral rolls at the same time.
Right now in those states where SIR is going on.
Yeah.
But subsequently in other states also, like our neighboring states are Karnataka and Maharashtra. Right now no SIR is going on there. But these figures of mapped will be there. So once their SIR starts, and when they start mapping them, if they have a electoral roll name in those states also, and they do start mapping, it will not map there. So once you are in Goa roll, you are here, you cannot be in Karnataka roll subsequently.